Join me today for a Stitch Fix unboxing. This is my fall winter delivery. Let's see what's inside. Look at those great colors. I love the colors they sent. First up, we have a Daniell Rainn Flutter sleeve blouse. This is cute. It's lightweight. It'd be great to layer. I love the Flutter sleeves. And I do love the color. So we'll see how this fits. Next up, this is a 9 Britton blouse. It's a deep green color. Let's see. It just says green. That's really pretty. It's super soft. Again, shorter sleeves because I'm just warm all the time lately. I used to always be cold. I balanced my thyroid and now I'm warm all the time. Oh, look at this jacket. This is so cute. Skies are blue. It's a blazer. It's a cropped sleeve. I love this color. It is kind of lighter weight. It's like, reminds me of a mix between a sweater and a blazer. I don't know. I like the weight and the thickness of this. Here we go. Another 9 Britton blouse. This is the same as that green one. It's like a soft silky material, shorter sleeves. It looks like the exact same. I don't really love getting two of the same item. Maybe I should put that in there. This is the first time they've done that to me. When it comes to Stitch Fix, I want more variety. So let's see what's next. This is a dress. It does not go all the way to the ground. It's like a crop length. This is a cute dress. It feels like stretchy cotton, but heavy. And, oh my goodness, it has pockets. A dress with pockets, y'all. I hope that fits nice. I can't wait to try it on. It just feels so soft. Oh, and they did send me a petite size. They know my height and everything, so they know when to do that, which is great. They sent me a petite, so it'll be hitting the length that it's actually supposed to hit. Okay, last item, I wanted some black pants. I facilitate leadership team meetings and executive team meetings, and these are super cute. These are black corduroys cut from the cloth. I've had that brand before. That might be the jeans I'm wearing, actually. I've had that brand before. So these are cut from the cloth, size 4. Are they a petite? Ankle flare. So I don't think, they're not petite, but they're an ankle flare. So hopefully the length fits. They feel really soft and smooth. Those are fun. Let's try them on and see how they fit. Oh, this is cute. This is a great little blazer, and it's not super thick. It's like just the right thickness. I like that it doesn't button because I never know when to button them or not. I don't usually button them, so it just kind of lays open. This could be dressed up, worn with jeans, worn with the dress if the dress fits. I really like this blazer. Okay, let's throw the pants on with the blazer, see how that goes. Oh no, you guys. I like the pants. I didn't really want to like as many things with the shipment because with the holidays coming, I wasn't going to buy as much, but I like the pants. These are not petite, but they're ankle length, and so they do fit. The whole reason I have Stitch Fix is to help me build a wardrobe with things I wouldn't normally try out. I would not normally buy corduroys. This is not something I would normally pick, but I really like them. Let's try some of the shirts. All right, here's that green 9 Britton shirt. I do like this as a layering blouse. It feels cool. I like the look and the cut, but I don't know. I don't love it. I like to keep things where I'm like, I don't care how much that is. I just love it. I have to have it. That's not really the vibe I get from this. And it's super soft, but again, I'm just worried about like the wrinkling or the snagging. I've got kids. I'm on the run. I'm not confident the shirt would stay nice. Same shirt, but black. And kind of the same thoughts. I mean, I love black. I like the cut. It feels really nice. I worry about keeping it clean and not wrinkled and not snagging it because it's just a really soft fabric. Okay, here's the blue Flutter sleeve. This is also a softer, lighter material. but it's not that like silky material, so I don't feel like it's gonna snag super easy. I do like the color, but I have a couple blousey kind of shirts in this color. I do like it, but I don't have the same level of like passion and excitement around it as I had about that blazer and these pants. Let's try out the dress. Oh man, y'all, this dress fits exactly how I was hoping it would fit. It's like the right amount of fitted, the right amount of stretchy. Check out the pockets. And the length doesn't go all the way to the ground, but it does hit a little bit above the ankle. I could totally wear this in the summer with some flip-flops. I could dress it up to go out on date night. I could put on some winter boots and this cute jacket. And it is so soft and cozy. And the pockets. Today, I am being a little bit more picky. My favorites are this jacket and this dress. I also love the corduroy pants. So these are the three things that I would love to keep. These just aren't my favorite, so these are probably going back. Luckily, Stitch Fix makes it really easy to try new things, and if you don't love it, it's pretty easy to do the return. You just throw it in this bag and send it back. They won't charge you for those items. This order today, if I had kept everything, would have been $278.50. And that would be after the 25% discount and the $20 off for the styling fee. If we haven't met yet, my name's Sarah and I'm the mom next door. I invite you to hit subscribe because, hey, if you watched this far into the video, you'll probably like my other videos too.